So I'm here to talk about abortion, and one of the first things that is important to say is that it is legalized in Portugal, and that Christianity says no, and that zombies say are not, but that doesn't really matter, because we are here to talk about the ethics and morale of doing an abortion, and for that we have Immanuel Kant and Stuart Mill. So John Stuart Mill was a British philosopher, and he was considered one of the most influential English-speaking philosophers of the 19th century. Meanwhile, Immanuel Kant was a German philosopher from Königsberg, lecturing and writing on philosophy and anthropology at the end of the 18th century. So there is a yes from Stuart Mill and a no from Immanuel Kant, but let's give it a small twist to make it harder. So, this is Gina, and she got raped by this guy, and now there is a baby. So what is she going to do? So Immanuel Kant would tell her not to do it because means do not justify the end, and killing a human being to achieve something is unacceptable, so abortion goes against two of the three maxims of the categorical imperative. In the end, Stuart Mill would tell her to abort because it is safe, and most of all he believes that means do justify the end, and that killing something that is not even considered human or even alive is a small price to pay for a greater good. So here are some notes, okay? Kant does not give a damn about consequences, so abortion is just the act of killing something that cannot be acceptable universally. And the other thing is that a human being must be seen as an end and not a mean to an end, so you cannot use other people. And the last note is that Stuart Mill does not consider an embryo a human being. If he did, his theory on abortion would be a little bit different. But the question remains, what is she going to do? Well, I just want to say this to end. Why does the human being kill when it's not necessary for his survival? And why does he think that he has the right to do it?